A big thank you to Elephant Robotics and GatherTown for sponsoring this event, as well as to the organizers of ICRA for allowing us to run it. Hi, welcome to the Navability ICRA tutorials. Today we're going to take you through tutorials on simultaneous localization and mapping, which demonstrate concepts from building factor graphs through to handling multimodal problems. These tutorials are available in Python and Julia, and readers can work through them as YouTube videos, online in our notebooks, or they can run the code in Binder notebooks. And lastly, if you like, for the developers in the room, you can pull the code to your machine to work on them afterwards. These tutorials take approximately 10 to 30 minutes to complete, and we have 5 of them that you can work through individually, discuss, and collaborate on. These tutorials are designed for a wide audience, from people beginning their journey with SLAM through to experts working through difficult problems such as multimodal data and heterogeneous sensors. Please help us make these tutorials relevant to you by asking questions and discussing results and troubleshooting any issues. We have people in the room here to help, so just wave someone over and talk through the problem or something that you may be seeing. For today, we've provisioned 5 tutorials, from beginning your journey with factor graphs through to an end-to-end example with marine surface vehicles. You can find these tutorials at app.navability.io or from the ICRA landing page. When you click this link, you'll be taken to an overview of each of the tutorials, showing in a card roughly what the tutorial will teach you. If you click on any of these tutorials, it'll take you to a much deeper overview of the tutorial, as well as a YouTube video that walks you through the tutorial end to end. We've tried to make these tutorials accessible in a variety of ways, and if you scroll to the bottom of the page for the tutorial, you can see that you can choose your language as well as the way you wish to view and do the tutorial. You can look at the results and just scroll through with a quick read through. You can open it with a zero install in a Binder notebook, or you can download it to your local machine and actually work through it in, say, Visual Studio Code. Here's a little mini map to get you going. So start here. Pick your language, whether Python or Julia, and then choose whether you want to read through the tutorial to kind of see the results and what you're going to do. And then you can open it in Binder in your browser and actually execute the code. But lastly, you can always pull these repos to your local machine and run it in, say, Visual Studio Code. We've also provided an extra option where you can copy the code from the browser directly into your IDE. Remember that we're trying to make these tutorials available to a very wide audience. So if you're working through something or you see an issue or you want to discuss it, this is an open forum. Please just raise your hand or walk over and say hi and chat. Dion, Sam, Jim, and Johan on the GatherTown link are here to help you. So feel free to just, come say hi. Have fun.